Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make liposomal vitamin C with an ultrasonic cleaner. First, gather ascorbic acid, phosphatidylcholine, distilled water, and a scale. Clean and sanitize your ultrasonic cleaner and glass containers thoroughly. Prepare a concentrated ascorbic solution and blend it gently with the phospholipid to form a milky emulsion. Use the ultrasonic bath in short intervals, monitoring temperature and clarity to protect potency and ensure safe results. Start by dissolving ascorbic acid in warm distilled water until fully dissolved and concentrated. In a separate container, hydrate phosphatidylcholine gently to avoid clumping. Slowly add the vitamin C solution to the hydrated lipid while mixing to create an even emulsion. Place the sealed vial in the ultrasonic cleaner using ice or cold packs to control temperature. Pulse sonicate in short cycles, checking clarity and temperature between intervals to maintain stability and potency. After producing liposomal vitamin C, transfer it to amber glass bottles and refrigerate promptly to slow degradation. Label with date and use within a few weeks for best potency, discarding if you notice off smells or discoloration. Begin dosing conservatively to assess tolerance and adjust gradually based on personal response. Keep batches small to maintain freshness, and always prioritize clean technique to reduce contamination risks and keep your supplements effective and safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.